The CLEVAST EF8897 Small Dehumidifier has been getting a lot of attention, but is it really worth considering? In this video, we'll explore its features and performance to help you decide. Check the description for more information. Let's begin. Imagine stepping out of a refreshing shower on a humid summer morning, only to be greeted by foggy mirrors and damp towels. That's where the CLEVAST Small Dehumidifier comes in. It's a compact hero that quietly tackles excess moisture in small spaces. One of its standout features is its ultra-quiet operation, making it perfect for bedrooms and nurseries. At just 24 dB, you'll barely notice it's there, while it works hard to collect up to 10 ounces of water per day. Its advanced semiconductor technology and energy-efficient design ensure it's not only effective but also gentle on your wallet. Plus, the auto shut-off protection is a lifesaver, reminding you to empty the tank before it overflows. But what really sets it apart is its compact size and portability. Measuring just 4.48 by 6.48 by 9.0 inches, it's easy to move from room to room, making it a great addition to any home, office, or even RV. So, is it worth the investment? Honestly, it's a solid 3.4 out of 5 stars from 17 reviews, which suggests it's reliable and does the job, but may not be perfect for everyone. If you're struggling with humidity in small spaces, this dehumidifier is definitely worth considering. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, the links to grab these pics are right in the description below, so be sure to check them out. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss our next review. See you in the next one.